we go.
Hey, what's up? Mikkel Kislink here. Today, well, it's a vlog from my phone. Haven't done one of those in a while, so yeah, I thought I might want to update you on what's been going on. So I'm pretty sure I can't really upload all that much anymore because, yeah, higher education, but I'm getting educated about computer stuff. Anyway, as I was saying, I am not going to be able to upload all that much, like maybe every third day instead of every second day, I don't know, okay? But hey, sometimes I'll just upload, and then we'll see what happens. And was that a bird poop? Did a bird just poop? Wow, nailed it. Somewhere in the world a bird pooped. This vlog is just going crazy, and it's even morning, look at this. Oh well, that is actually all I just wanted to say real quick. So, before this video gets any longer, that's a leave, and I am Mikkel Kislink, and ciao there.